Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back. I was going through some old inventory and came across these brooch pins. If you don't know what a brooch pin is used for, they're just a fun way of accessorizing your t-shirt, your dress shirt, or your sweater. So most of the time they have something big on it. It might be something simple. You can add them to your collars, the pocket of your dress shirts, wherever you want to add them. They're just a fun way to accessorize your t-shirt. So for this project, all you're going to need is some glue, some rhinestones, and of course your brooch pin backs. I'm also using a stone picker, and I also have a tool that I'm using to apply my glue. I am doing this because I tried to apply the glue directly from the tube and I ended up making a mess. So I'm trying to prevent you from making the same mistake. If you don't have something that you use to apply the glue, you can always use a toothpick. And for a stone picker, if you don't have a stone picker or you don't have a tool with a wax end, you can always use tweezers or you can use some jewelry pliers. So after you apply your glue, you add your rhinestones and you let it dry. I recommend 24 to 48 hours, at least 8. But for me, I need at least 24 to 48 hours because I'm destructive. So let me know what you think about this project. Let me know if you'd like to see another one, and I'll see you guys later.